What type of animal is this? Answer goat. What kind of animal is this? Answer cougar. What type of animal is this? Answer squirrel. What type of animal is this? Answer cricket. What type of animal has these eyes? Answer wolf. Which animal is this? Answer tiger. Which sound is this? A cat meowing. Which sound is this? You guessed it. A horse. Which sound is this? A dolphin. I roam the jungle, silent and sly, with patterned skin and a watchful eye. I stalk my prey both day and night. With one swift pounce, I win the fight. What am I? Answer leopard. My name sounds like I do some math, but I'm a beast that roams the path. I've got big ears and a mighty trunk, and in the mud I love to dunk. What am I? Answer elephant. I'm born in water, breathe through gills, but one day I gain limbs and climb the hills. I croak at night and leap with flair. Find me near the pond, I'll be there. What am I? Answer frog. Though I have no teeth, I'm known to bite. I float with grace, but sting with might. My tentacles drift in ocean blue. A shocking surprise if I touch you. What am I? Answer jellyfish. I'm not a bird, yet I can fly. In caves and night skies I often lie. I sleep upside down and hunt in the dark, using sound instead of a spark. What am I? Answer bat. True or false? Bats are blind. False. Bats can see, and many also use echolocation to navigate. True or false? An octopus has 3 hearts. Answer true. 2 pump blood to the gills, 1 to the body. True or false? Elephants are the only animals that can't jump. False. While it's true that adult elephants are incapable of jumping, there are other mammals and animals that also lack this ability, including sloths, hippos, and rhinos. True or false? Frogs drink water through their mouths. Answer false. They absorb water through their skin. True or false? A group of crows is called a murder. Answer true. It's one of the more eerie collective nouns in English. True or false time? The fastest land animal in the world is the... Answer cheetah. A baby goat is called a... Answer kid. Penguins can't fly, but they are excellent. Answer swimmers. The only mammal capable of true flight is the... Answer bat. A group of lions is called a... Answer pride. Multiple choice. Which continent is home to the majority of the world's wild elephants? A. South America. B. Asia. C. Africa. D. Australia. Answer Africa. The Amazon rainforest, known for its incredible biodiversity, is mainly located in which country? A. Peru. B. Brazil. C. Colombia. D. Venezuela. Answer Brazil. The kangaroo is native to which continent? A. Africa. B. North America. C. Asia. D. Australia. Answer Australia. Question 4. Polar bears are found naturally in which region? A. Antarctica. B. Arctic. C. Himalayas. D. Andes. Answer Arctic. Question 5. The great migration of wildebeests and zebras occurs between which two African countries? A. Kenya and Ethiopia. B. Tanzania and Uganda. C. Kenya and Tanzania. D. South Africa and Namibia. Kenya and Tanzania.